Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you're getting an error message that the scratch disk is full, it usually means you need to clear some space on whatever drive is defined as the scratch disk in Photoshop Preferences, or add additional drives for Photoshop to use as scratch space.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To eliminate that extra image data consuming your RAM, go to Edit, Purge greater than option. Keep in mind that clearing history will remove all the history states saved previously and you will not be able to undo your latest actions.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can use a secondary drive as scratch disk space, either another internal drive or even an external hard drive, SSD drive, as long as you are using a fast connection like USB 3.0 or Thunderbolt. To change which drive Photoshop is using for scratch disks, go to Edit, Preferences, Scratch Disk.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.